So अभी उसको गाना थोड़ा थोड़ा दिखा रहे हैं and all of that. She's about 2 years old. So actually the first song she saw was Kesaria, and then yesterday was Radha Teri Chunni and she saw Badtameez Dil at the same time. दोनों ने साथ में हमारे गाने दिखाते. So she must be thinking कि whatever, this is like normal.
सो गाइस हेलो एंड वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल वंस अगेन न्यूज़ बफ में आपका स्वागत है। और जैसा कि आप सभी जानते हैं कि जिगरा इस फ्राइडे रिलीज़ हो रही है और जिगरा से पहले आप कोई फिल्म आ रही है और उसकी कास्ट से जो है आपकी रूबरू ने कराया, ऐसा कभी हो सकता है? तो भाई वही कराने आ गए हैं दिल्ली के इंपीरियल होटल में, जहां वेदांग की कास्ट आई। और वेदांग की कास्ट ने हम लोगों से क्या क्या बातें करी, बल्कि आलिया भट्ट ने राहा के बारे में हमसे बात करी, रणबीर कपूर के बारे में बात करी और फिल्म के बारे में ढेर सारी बातें करी। कैसा रहा ये इवेंट, आइए जानते हैं।
जी नहीं, कंपटीशन किसके साथ?
मैम मेरा क्वेश्चन ये है कि जैसे एनिमल मूवी आई थी रणबीर कपूर की एंड उसमें उन्होंने एक्शन थ्रिलर मूवी थी एंड अब आपकी आ रही है, सो घर में कैसा मतलब जब डिस्कशन होता है तो ऐसे कुछ कंपटीशन या बात?
एनिमल वर्सेस जिगरा घर पे कंपटीशन नहीं कहूँगी. आई थिंक आई एम वेरी फॉर्चुनेट. पहले तो दैट माई हस्बैंड इज पहले तो माई बेस्ट फ्रेंड एंड सेकेंडली ऑल्सो वंडरफुल एक्टर. तो बात करते समय हर फिल्म के बारे में, वेदर इट्स जिगरा, वेदर इट वॉज गंगूबाई और रॉकी रानी, इट्स वन ऑफ द मोमेंट्स आई चेरिश द मोस्ट कि हम सीन्स के बारे में बात कर सकते हैं और अगर मेरा कुछ डाउट है ये वो वी कैन डिस्कस विद ईच अदर एंड ही वुड डू द सेम थिंग ड्यूरिंग एनिमल. आई नो काफ़ी कंपैरिजन्स वगैरह आए हैं ऑन द इंटरनेट, मैंने देखा भी और मैं हंसी भी, पर ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. द थिंग इज़ कि हम जब स्टोरी टेलिंग and it's not only with Jigra or a film like Animal, any other film, the strongest emotional core is when you do something for your loved one. It's one of the genres. It's almost like a genre in itself. जो इतनी सारी movies बने हैं उस पे, तो it's because we can talk about it क्योंकि ये पिछले साल रिलीज हो रहा है, ये साल, but apart from that there's no other similarity. There's no competition. Great directors. Genuinely, I think I've been very blessed. I truly believe filmmaking is the filmmaker's medium. I respond to films like an audience when I watch them, when I read them, when I see them. तो जब मेरे पास एक स्क्रिप्ट आती है, मैं एक ऑडियंस की तरह पढ़ती हूँ, फिर अपने बारे में सोचती हूँ. And I genuinely think I'm not just being modest. I've been very lucky. Luck has to do a lot with it as well. Being given the opportunity to play a part like this, and I'm somebody, when I go on set, even though I'm a co-producer on this film, I am the director's puppet. Like whatever you tell me to do, I will do. And that's why for me the journey of an actor director is so important. I think every actor will say that. In fact, yesterday only Vasan and I were talking, whatever the fate of the film, I genuinely feel very strongly about the sync that he and I got on this film, prior to the film and on the shooting of the film, and I hold that very close to my heart. So secret of success and all, ये मुझे पता नहीं है. Just very grateful, fingers crossed, keep the head down, keep working and keep moving forward.
So how do you define yourself as an actor?
How do I define myself as an actor? I don't know. It'll be sad to be definable so early on. I think let's maybe have this chat 20 years from now.
Absolutely. And there was one question we were all discussing. If you were to introduce your daughter to one film, which one would that be? The first movie?
Actually,
Sorry, can I copy the question again?
Yeah. So your daughter to your one film, which is the first one you would want her to watch?
I was just discussing this the other day with somebody and I'm not really sure because it's a very difficult, it's a very important decision to make. But just yesterday, she saw my first song which I ever shot in my life, and that's Radha Teri Chunni. So अभी उसको गाना थोड़ा थोड़ा दिखा रहे हैं and all of that. She's about 2 years old. So actually the first song she saw was Kesaria, and then yesterday was Radha Teri Chunni and she saw Badtameez Dil at the same time. दोनों ने साथ में हमारे गाने दिखाते. So she must be thinking कि whatever, this is like normal.
Awesome. So Vedant, congratulations. They're calling you the new poster boy of cool because after the suave regime now we have the Jigra here. So other than Alia and Vasan, what was the thing that drew you to this particular film?
Senior.
I mean everything about it, but it just I didn't have the privilege to choose from anything that was there at that time. This was when I hadn't even been launched yet with Archie's, and at that time this script came to me, and I totally consider myself the luckiest person in the world to get this film, which was directed by Vasan sir alongside Alia. And yeah, I mean, I think now is when I think you look at scripts and you decide which route to take, what resonates with you the most. But at that time,
Hi Alia.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
Good, good.
I'm Anisha from India today. So I'm also an eldest sister. I have a 7-year-old younger brother.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. So I know how protective you get when
Yeah.
you have your younger brother. Like it's something that comes instinctively. So my question to you is like how difficult, because you are the younger one between you and Shaheen, how difficult or easy was it for you to like just showcase that protectiveness towards Vedang in the film, or like was it just like easy going, or did you have to prepare for it?
Obviously nothing is easy. Every day on a film set is like, you just try to make the day. But of course we feel very grateful to be there because when you love what you do, nothing feels challenging or hard. And even if it is hard, even that is enjoyable. When you're talking about protection, I think जो protection का feeling है, if you love somebody, whether you're younger than them, older than them, or as old as them, you will want to protect them. No matter who they are, whether it's your pet, whether it's your brother, whether it's your sister, whether it's your mother, father. And in my case, when I signed Jigra, it was just after I had Raha. So the protection was like bursting out of me. And I have to also give credit to the way the scenes are written, beautifully by Vasan and Devashish. जो character dynamics है, जो protection भी होता है, वो ऐसे नहीं है कि character enters the room saying मैं तुम्हें protect करने वाला हूँ, I protect you every day. It's not that. It's an underlying energy that you just know. जो आप scene में देख रहे हो, you know कि ये बरसों से चलता आ रहा है. Character dynamic जो है, वो build किया है very consciously. तो वेदांग और मैं हमारा first scene था, उसमें काफी वो layers थे which we got to play with. So it's difficult sometimes for actors to get that chemistry on day one. Sometimes it takes a couple of days to get into it. But I have to give credit to the way the scene is written. Because of that scene, I think both of us flowed very naturally into this, the parts of Satya and Ankur. और बाकी आप फिल्म में देखोगे.
Thank you. One question is for Vasan sir. We know Alia as an actor, how she is, Alia as an entrepreneur, and Alia as a mother.
you look a bit disheveled, so no makeup. कपड़े भी कुछ नहीं, एक ही outfit in the whole film. So one t-shirt, one shorts, वही चप्पल पूरे 2-3 महीने मैंने पहने. So I had to just come to set and just be the character. So it was very liberating कि none of the extra stuff I had to go through, and I really enjoyed that. I really enjoyed just giving in and giving it all to my character. Very different roles, and I'm happy as an actor. So early in my career, I'm getting an opportunity to play such varied characters.
Alia?
The emotional part.
The prep. Honestly, no prep. There was no prep for this film. We met once, Vedang and I together, and just discussed one scene. Essay, I think, just for...
Discussed for 2 minutes.
Yeah, we discussed for 2 minutes. And we just chatted about movies and stuff. Vasan and I think, work in a very... Because also this film didn't require that kind of prep, only because I was not... कुछ dialect नहीं करना था, ऐसे कुछ, body language or कोई sport नहीं खेलना. हाँ, basketball was the only thing that I learned, क्योंकि एक basketball sequence है, छोटू सा.
सो दोस्तों आज के लिए बस इतना ही. आई होप वीडियो आपको पसंद आया. सो इफ यू लव दिस वीडियो प्लीज़ लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए न्यूज़ बफ, ताकि इसी तरह की सारी अपडेट आप तक ऐसी पहुंचती रहे. थैंक यू सो मच.